Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to make Happy Father's Day badge here. It's here. Okay. So for this we require three color sheets. Okay, of any small pieces will also work. So like this is a cutout of any leftover craft I did. So small. We'll just take out a small piece, another small piece, and I'll just tell you the dimensions of this one. So we need three colors here. So I'm using purple, red and yellow. Okay, and of course Fevicol is a must, and scissors. Okay, so for purple sheet these are the dimensions. Okay, I'll just keep it here so that you can see it all through my video. Okay, so for purple sheet, with purple sheet we are going to make a fan. Okay, like this in a circular way. And then with yellow sheet we are going to write this tag here, and then with this we are going to make some ribbon. Alright, so purple sheet is 11 to 12 centimeter of width, okay, and 21 centimeters of length. So this is cut out from A4 size paper. This is a light paper, okay, as compared to this one. This is a quite light sheet, so try to use this one. If you're not having, of course you can use this one also. So it's a very lightweight. So we'll start folding a fan. Okay, I'm using one side rule sheet. You can also use this one. So we'll start folding it into a fan like this. So once we are done with the folding, it will look somewhat like this. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to stick the center part, okay, using a stapler, or you can tie some thread also. Okay, if the stapler doesn't work, just tie some thread. And then we're going to open these things, these fan, from both the sides. Okay, we're going to open both the side fans. First we'll staple this part. So if you can even take a big stapler. Okay, I'm stapling it from both the sides. Done. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open slowly. I'm going to open it into a circle. Okay, from this side also and from this side also. And now I'm going to stick both the sides, both these ends, using a Fevicol. Okay, it doesn't matter how it looks from the center, because obviously we're going to cover it with a paper. Okay, it doesn't matter however it looks, just let it be. Now I'll just stick this, and you can even staple this also, or you can use a double tape. Okay, and it will look something like this. Okay, and now what we are going to do is we're going to take circle measurement. Just take any circular object kept around you. So I have this with me. Okay, if I'll put it here, so it's almost covering the center. So just take any circular object, draw a circle, okay, using that, and then take out a, just draw a circle using that circular object and just cut it out. So I got the circle. Now I'll cut out, and then I'll stick it on this. And first I'll take out the circle, and then I have two cuttings of length 9 centimeter and 4 centimeter each. So it will become ribbon, something like this. Okay, so I'll just cut that also. Okay, so now my circle is ready, my base is ready, my two cutouts are also ready. So first we'll finish this cutout. So what we are going to do, we are just going to cut two diagonal lines to form a V here, and a triangle will come out. Okay, so we don't need this triangle, we can use it later for any other activity. Please don't waste paper, try to reuse paper as much as possible. Okay, so two triangles are cut ready, so we'll just use them in another way. We are ready with this batch. Okay, now what we are going to do, first you're going to write on this, and then you're going to paste it using Fevicol, or you can use a double tape also. Okay, so I've written your best dad award. You can write whatever you want to write. You can write Happy Father's Day. So it's kind of a batch, so I will write best dad award. Okay, an exclamation mark and a smiley. Okay, So we are ready with the things, and now we are going to attach them. First of all, how we are going to attach this? So first you are going to attach both of them together. Okay, just staple them, or what you can do is you can paste them just from the sides. Okay, just put some Fevicol and paste them. So we just need this much part, and rest we are going to paste them again at the back. Okay, so again using some Fevicol, or you can use normal tape, double tape. Normal tape you can double it, you can use that also. Okay, and you need to press it, okay, because this is a thick paper, so it will take time to stick. Okay, so you have to press it for a while. Just see that your fan doesn't get ruined, be careful. Okay, so done. And now we'll stick this Best Dad badge here. Okay, so again put a lot of Fevicol in between, or take a double tape or normal tape. So how, if you're going to use normal tape, how are you going to use it? So I have this masking tape with me, so I can use this masking tape also, and a double tape will also work. Just take out this, roll it, put it here in the center, and then put this. Now everything is stick. Okay, so your badge is ready, and you can put this badge on your dad t-shirts and shirts. Okay, and click a nice picture and share the picture with me. Okay, have a wonderful day everyone. So from back it will look like this, okay, and from front it will look like this. So your badge is ready. Click a nice picture with your dad and share me the pictures. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.